Good morning again on this Sunday, 8:12 on the clock here this morning. No delays to speak of out at DFW Airport, but it is a warm start. 83, already feeling like 89. We did see some delays yesterday, not from the weather, but just from the fact that it's just busy out there this weekend in the skies because it's a travel weekend here in North Texas leading up to the 4th of July holiday, and obviously travel will be busy throughout the upcoming week and into next weekend as well. Here in North Texas, we have a heat advisory in place. Shouldn't be any delays from the weather here locally because nothing's going to happen today except for the heat. Heat index 105 to 110. That's a little bit better than yesterday when we had heat index values 110 plus. Really doubt you'll be able to tell much of a difference today. It's the heat. Heat's still dangerous if you don't take the proper precautions if you are spending time outside. So, I mean, yeah, really not much of a difference between yesterday and today. Just letting you know that yesterday we had the excessive heat warning and today we have the heat advisory. Not only here, but across a good chunk of Texas as well. As we expand the view, we can see that heat advisory extends across the southern portion of the U.S. Some showers and storms, parts of Colorado, southern Kansas at the moment. There'll be a little rain along the east coast today, a little rain activity up in Idaho and Montana as well. The heat dome's centered pretty much right on top of us. That's why the heat advisories are in place from Texas and through portions of the southern states. It's going to kind of wobble off to the east a little bit over the next couple of days, and then as we head into the mid to late week time frame, going to kind of start to weaken a little bit and move farther off to the west as well. That'll open the door for some rain chances and some slightly cooler weather late week and into next weekend. Now, I'm not promising cool weather by any means this time of year. By that point, it'll be well into July. Hardly ever gets cool this time of year, but maybe a little bit better than what we're dealing with out there at the moment, because what we're dealing with right now is temps at or maybe even above 100 degrees for the next several days, right on through your 4th of July, which is Thursday. Friday, it drops to 99, and then we could see some showers and storms Friday into Saturday. Let's talk about the tropics. We have our first hurricane of the year, and in fact, our first major hurricane of the year, too. This is Hurricane Beryl. Look at the eye that's formed in that storm right now up to a Category 3 with wind speeds of 115 miles an hour. It's going to barrel toward the Lesser Antilles there, and that's why we have hurricane warnings anywhere from St. Lucia to Barbados to farther to the south as well. Here comes that storm. It's going to intensify even more, maybe even becoming a Category 4 as it slams into the southern portions of the Lesser Antilles, moving into the Caribbean, weakening a little bit, but still a Category 3 as it likely will pass south of Jamaica, south of the Cayman Islands, but then potentially making a landfall in Mexico there, Mexico or Belize, somewhere in Central America or into the Mexican coastline. So if you have vacations coming up, if you're lucky and have a tropical vacation, Jamaica, Cayman Islands, Cancun, Tulum, Belize, somewhere like that over the next week or so, just continue to monitor this storm absolutely as it moves through the Caribbean. As far as North Texas is concerned, highly unlikely that it impacts not only the U.S. but North Texas as well. It's not impossible that maybe once it enters the Gulf of Mexico, it tries to move toward the U.S. coastline, but there's a very low chance of that occurring at this point. What I can guarantee you is we have a lot of heat headed our way. There you can see a little bit of a cool down next weekend. It's better than nothing. 95 Saturday, 96 on Sunday, some scattered rain around Friday, Saturday, and maybe even into Sunday, but then the heat cranks back up with highs at or around 100 degrees for your second week of July.
All right.